Okay, so we can do maybe another few. So let's do another one. The minimum measurement of the width of the tefillin straps. Okay, here you go. So we spoke about it. Like there are some minimum requirements. So it's not only for decoration, right? So minimum measurement of the width of the tefillin straps. Both the straps of the shell rosh and those of shell yad is not less than the length of the barley kernel. The minimum. So barley kernel. Okay, the barley kernel. So we can. So let's see. So commentators say it's between 0.4 and 0.44 of an inch, or from 10 to 11 millimeters. So it's I don't know. It's pretty small. I mean, it's not that small. I mean, our straps, I guess they maybe like wider, but I would not say they much wider. I don't know. I don't think they're much wider than this. Okay, so one more time. The minimum measurement of the width of the tefillin straps, both the straps of shell rosh and those shell yad, is not less than the length of barley kernel. Okay. The minimum measurement of their length is as follows. So now we're talking about length, and it says there is no maximum measure for the length. Of course, I mean we try to do it like so it would not drag on the floor, but okay. So the minimum measure of the length is as follows. For the shell rosh, both the right and the left strap should reach until the navel. So of course, I mean one usually they do one and up to the navel and one a little longer, but they say at least or slightly above. Okay, so that's as we said, it's not that's a minimum requirement. Some say that the strap hanging down on the right should reach until the circumcision. Okay. Shemusha Rabba. Okay. So what is it? So what it says there? The Shemusha Rabba is found at the end of the Hilchas Tefillah on Rosh. Okay. According to the other opinion cited by Mishnah Brura 2741, the strap hanging from the right side should reach at least to the navel, and the left should be at least to the chest. So that's so Mishnah Brura is more lenient. So this and until the chest, and this right until the navel. So, but usually, like to today's standard, they do left till the navel, maybe a little longer, and that one is even more longer, the right one. Okay. And it's preferable to follow this most stringent opinion, of course. Of course, this, but we need to know this lenient opinion in case, God forbid, something happened, right? Stringent opinion. The strap of a shell yad shall be long enough to tighten it on the arm and to wind it around the arm 7 times. Okay, so it's not also, as we said, it's not like optional length, so 7 times. And to wind the 3 times on the finger, as described before, and so to fasten it. Okay. So for they say there is to tuck under the end of the strap, so that the winding do not come loose. So basically, the length. So you did shin, for example, if you do shin here, so you do 7 times. So I do 8 times because it's like this time is not complete. So I do 8 times. That's what I do. So altogether, when you see from that side, it's 7. Then you do like three wraps around the finger, and you have to stick it somewhere. So I mean that's it. So all of this around the hand is extra, but still it's pretty long. Okay. 1 second. Okay, continue. If the strap was severed, it's possible, and is shorter than the length set out above, whether of shel rosh or shel yad, a competent halakhic authority should be consulted. Okay. For further discussion, see Kitzur editorial glosses. Okay, so what exactly we can do in this case? Okay.